Hey Van, this is Paulina on the Finnish Path. Welcome to the unboxing of Pam's Vintage Tarot. Okay, here we go. I am so excited. I got this deck from the Game Crafter in the US. Yeah. And there doesn't seem to be anything other than just the deck inside. But here we go. I'm not expecting anything other than just the deck. How do you open this anyway? Huh. Okay. There's some tape there as well. Okay. Yep. My first instinct was right. Ooh. Okay. Here we are. Oh. Oh dear. Look at this. Oh, there's Pixie. Pam's Vintage Tarot size, 78 card deck plus 2 art cards. Okay. Original art Pamela Coleman Smith. Restored by Real Limited Edition 1000 decks. Legacy of past, vision of future. Lucky card. 2018 this is. Brand new. Hot off the press. Yeah. Okay. I'm not partial to the plastic in these things. Although I do understand that you do need to package paper products really well. Oi. Okay, here we go. Oh yes, the cards inside are loose. Oh, OMG, 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 OMG. There's no plastic around the cards. I am so happy about this. Oh. Okay. First impression. The cards are thinner than my Rider-Waite Smith. Flimsier. Are they manageable? Yeah. Yes, they are. The edge is kind of dark greyish. Oh, and the card back. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, there's some darkening on the edges. It's kind of darker. Like parchment kind of thing going on here. Okay. And the cards themselves. Oh boy, there's this image here, kind of scribble in the corner. Is it in all the corners? At least on the top corners. And also the edges are darker. But the images are the same as in the standard Rider-Waite Smith deck. It just looks old. The cards are a bit flimsier. Let's compare. This is that. Yeah. yes, the standard deck is a bit sturdier than this one. Let's hope that doesn't pose any problems. The cards are not in any order. Isn't that interesting? Okay, well, I'm going to put them in order so that we can... Oh, okay. Got an extra card here. Okay, now what is your take on this? Someone is conjuring the sun, perhaps. I have no idea who this is or what this is. Haha. Nice though. Okay, that's an extra card. Okay, I will put these in order. First by suit. It's Mage Arcana. Just making sure that I have all the cards here. Because, I mean, you never know. You just never know. Fold. Okay. Oh, these are so wonderful. Don't worry, I'm going to show you some of these, you know, close-ups of some of these in a moment. I just want to make sure that we have all the cards here. Oh boy, these are beautiful. Oh, here's another extra card. Oh, boy, this is nice. This is really nice. The same conjurer. Okay. Oh my. Here we go. Okay, they should be... No, actually, I'll put these in order as well. There's 19. There's 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Yeah. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. Do you see anything? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All present and correct. There you go. Then we'll look at the wands. It's the Queen. 8, there's the Ace. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's knight. Where's the king? There. Page 8, 7, 6. No, what am I saying? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Et on there. Then there's queen. Ace. 2, 3. There's knight. King. There's the page. Page is there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's my beautiful three of swords. The page, queen and king. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pentacles. Page is there. Here's the knight. The ace. 2. There's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, all the cards are here. All of them are here. Okay, now let's compare. Here you have the fools. How do I hold this so that you can see them properly? Do you see? It is obviously the same image, but the vintage looks vintage. Ah, how beautiful is that? Is there any difference here? Excuse me, I'll just check for myself. No, the image is absolutely the same. But covers the whole card. There's no edge here. Also, there's no name to the card, just the number. Okay, so for a beginner, this would pose a bit of a problem. Could pose a problem. Okay. Well, let's do it this way. There's number 1, Magician. High Priestess. The Empress. This was in the box as well, here. Emperor. The Hierophant. Let's look at this. Beautiful. Oh, sorry. There you go. Lovers. Yeah. Chariot. Ah, my card, Strength. There you are. Oh, this is beautiful. I really like the scribblings here in the corners, and also there is Pixie's signature down there, of course. So nice. The images are bigger. Yeah, the image itself is bigger, since there is no title and there are no borders here, so the image itself can be bigger. It's really nice. And there's the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, Death. There we go. Death card is often really important for the readers. Many readers I know, they judge a deck by the Death card. Obviously here the image is the same. It looks a lot more powerful in this vintage form somehow. There's no clutter here, it's just business. Yeah. Temperance. The Devil. This is another important card. This is also something that many readers want to check from a deck. And the Tower, of course. Another powerful card. Star, the Moon, Sun, Judgment, and then of course the World. Yeah. Oh yes. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Okay, that was Major Arcana. Then here are the Aces. Ace of Cups. My suit. Beautiful. And the Swords. Pentacles. There. And then my own personal favorite, of course, Three of Swords. Looks a lot gloomier here in the vintage thingy than in the original, which is nice. I like it gloomy. There we are. And then another lovely card. Two of Cups. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay. I do have to, when I handle this deck, I do have to remember that the cardstock is a bit flimsier than it is in the original Rider-Waite. So I do have to be careful with the cards, not bending them in any way, and making sure that they don't chip or anything. But they are not too flimsy. I can still quite easily shuffle them, handle them. Just need to be gentle with this deck. That's not going to be a problem. I tend to be a gentle person. Oh boy. There we go. Pam's Vintage Tarot. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, here was the unboxing. I'm going to do an interview spread with this deck and just see how this particular deck reads, how we work together. So when I do that, I will also post the video and also write it in my blog so that you can see what happens with this deck. But this is going to be my go-to deck, definitely, despite this particular card. Okay, excellent. Thank you for watching. I will see you later. Hey, hey.